Come to the bathroom, man. Come to the bathroom, man. Alright, y'all see my hair now, you feel me? This is like, I've been had coils and I stopped wetting them. I ain't take care of them. I just let them rock. And it really don't even look that bad. Y'all gonna see the finished product, obviously. It's gonna be fire. I just hit the back of my head on the wall and try to play it off. This might be my mother's. We won't use this today, yeah. We won't use this today. So now, all y'all need is, wait a second. This joint is on the floor. This is what y'all need, right? This is a leave-in conditioner. I'm not gonna put much of this in my hair. You feel me? But you need a shampoo, conditioner, and this is not needed. This is to get some soft hold on your hair already. Y'all gonna see what I do with it. And this is, you know, for me to get the real hold. But this is also the moisturizer on top of the leave-in. Y'all gonna see. But yeah, these are the products that y'all need. First things first, go in the shower, wash your hair, and use conditioner, right? Now, if you're using conditioner, if you're using a leave-in conditioner, you feel me? Don't be wildin'. You're gonna put other products in your hair, don't be wildin'. So now wash, condition your hair, come back. My bad, I forgot to mention something. When you washing and conditioning your hair, the main goal is to clean your scalp, then clean your hair, and detangle. Alright, those are the main goals. Clean your scalp first, then go to your hair, then detangle. You feel me? Pick your hair out. You heard? Pick your hair out. Use your fingers. When you put in conditioner, go like this. So that when you pick it out, it's going to be easier. All them little tips. Come on now. Pick your hair out in the shower with shampoo, condition. Pick it out. You about to twist it up. Alright, man. The glasses got to come off. You heard? Like, we really just chilling right now, bro. And this video is probably going to get like over 10,000. So I'm gonna have a lot of new people in here. Y'all subscribe to the channel. We get lit. But y'all, I got out the shower. I shampoo. I put some leave-in conditioner. I definitely did detangle, but my hair was still getting curly. But we're gonna pick it out. We're gonna pick out every section right before we shingle / coil it, right? So now y'all section your hair 4 to 6 sections depending on how much hair you got, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So now what y'all do after y'all part, I got like 6 parts in here. Yeah, take it out, boom. Have a towel handy too, because you might need to wet your hair and shit when it get too dry. Now what you do is you pick it out. Now I pick out the tips first, then I slowly go down to the root. Hey, shit. Now that joint is picked out, you feel me? Boom, we got a whole section to play with. Now, we're gonna take some of this. You don't put a lot of this, bro. It's like an extra layer. You don't need it. You feel me? It'll give you moisture and hold. But it's a weaker gel, basically. It's a weaker moisturizing gel. Boom, you put this on just like this. Copy my movements. You know what to do. Now you got it on. You rake it through now. You feel me? It doesn't need to be a crazy amount. Rake that joint through. Now, yeah, stop playing with him. Eco, my little guy, Eco. You take some, put the gel. This is how you start coiling your shit, boy. Pay attention, bro. You feel me? You see how my joint is starting to curl up already. Make sure you raking it through. Now, if I was to just leave my hair like this and like shake it, it would be curly, trust me. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hair, we're gonna grab it. Ooh, see the shit, hair is falling out. But you're gonna take it, you're gonna grab it. Boom, and just take little parts out of it and just twist it, bro. I don't know what was so hard about this for you, bro. At your own pace, twist it. I use 2 fingers sometimes. Twist it, let it down, keep doing it. It's not gonna look nice when you first start doing it. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. The first time I tried to do coils, I didn't finish my whole head because I was like, bro, that shit looking ass. But when you finish your whole head and you just got a head full of curls and you can shake your shit, bro, your shit is valid, bro. Like, don't be worrying how it look while you're doing it. Trust me, the finished product is gonna look better. All right, and this is all you have to do, bro. This is all, literally. I can't explain it anymore. Niggas be saying counterclockwise. Bro, you grab it, bro. Look, you grab a strand, 2 fingers, and you're twisting it. Boom, 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 boom. You keep twisting it, and you let it down. Every coil don't gotta be super twisted either. You can hit them with the bob. If it's already curly, just hit them with the bob. If you want a big curl, my nigga? Nah, we're gonna separate that shit. Matter of fact, fuck it. You want a big curl, my nigga? But I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like doing that to my whole head, bro. I'm about to really get to it, bro. It's easy. It's easy as ever. All right, y'all. So this is how your hair is gonna look after you twist it. You feel me? Just do what I told you over and over and over again to every single section, right? And when you're done, put your hair back in the little section with the little rubber band. Once you finish with your whole head, take all the rubber bands out and shake your hair, bro. And I'm gonna show you that right now. All right, I had to take the glasses off of this John. So some might say you wildin', and some might say you just extra curly, but when you take it all out, what you could do is grab some more gel, you feel me? Put it in your hands, wet it with water, and just go through your hair and make sure it's all gelled up and make sure all the twists is curly. You feel me? That's why you don't go crazy with the gel the first time. And yeah, you shake your shit. Alright, and it's gonna, all your curls is gonna pop out now. Alright, y'all, remember, you grab it, 2 fingers, and you're twisting and drop it down and do it to your whole head, bro. You're gonna be good. Y'all see? Alright, y'all, I'm out of here, and I hope y'all enjoy it, you heard?